What's good, YouTube? This your boy Dion with Quality Custom Designs, and we are back with another embroidery video. And in this video, we will be doing an embroidery patch using felt, and the design would be the logo for the TV show A Different World. So I'm going to be throwing a couple of TV shows out there. So if you guys have any suggestions, go ahead, once again, put them in the comment below. And just a quick side note, sorry for the videos not coming as fast as they should. I recently had some technical difficulties and my videos were not coming out the way I wanted them to, so I had to delete about 2 or 3 videos I recently recorded. So I'm gonna go ahead, start over again. Hopefully everything works out great. If so, of course, you'll be watching this video if everything works out good. So let's go ahead and get started. We already have the felt, which is sitting inside right here. So all we got to do is go ahead, press the button, get our stitch out, and then from there, we'll be rolling. So let's go ahead and get a closer look at it. All right, now that we are a little closer, get a better angle, better view, see if we can get some more light. Not that much, but I guess it's enough for now. So let's go ahead and press the button. This is my first time stitching this out straight from the laptop right over to the embroidery machine. So go ahead. Just trying to make sure it stays flat. Perfect. All right, so let me go ahead over to the table. I like to show this part, but I know that it's kind of a tasky, if that's a word, situation when I'm trying to cut it, plus having the camera in the way. So I'm just gonna cut it and I'll be right back. So guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, so I'm back. I think I got the best of it. I think I got everything off as far as the felt. Everything looks good. I'm gonna go ahead and start the next color up. I do have the thread in already, as you can see right here. I already have that color in. I'm assuming it's like a darker orange, but I have that color in now. I'm gonna go ahead and get everything started. So let's go ahead now. And the whole design is satin stitch, so there's no background. It's just all side to side, back and forth satin stitch. I was thinking about cutting these jump stitches, but I'll just do it after this design or this section is done. Then I'll cut the jump stitches to get ready for the next section. I try to get it as close as I could to the real Different World logo that you see on the TV or television. So I try to get it as close as I could. So bear with me, guys. Hopefully it turns out great. coming out good so far. I think so. It's coming out clean. Sorry about the camera. Coming out good. So while we are just watching, while you guys are watching right now, go ahead down in the comment section. Let me know what's your favorite TV shows out right now. I know back in the days we did have the Different Worlds, the Cosby's, the Fresh Prince, Living Single, Jamie Foxx, Wayans Brothers. I mean, we can go on for days, but right now, what's your guys' favorite TV show as of today? Honestly, nothing compares to back then. So I don't really watch too much. So I just want to know what's your guys' favorite, TV shows, or, what do you watch on TV? Go ahead and leave them in the comments below. This is kind of a long stitch out, long design. Just this stitch in color in particular right now, it's 15 minutes. So it's kind of lengthy, but the thing is with satin stitch, by it jumping so much, it's not as fast as a field stitch, which the field stitch, of course, fills in the area, the whole area. That's what the satin stitch jumps from side to side. So it gives it, I think, a cleaner look than field stitch. So me personally, but I just went with that just to see how it come out. So actually it's coming out great, to be honest. So it looks good. So all right, guys, let me know down in the comment section how everything's looking so far. How's everything turning out? And also, if you are still here watching this video, go ahead and do me a huge favor and go ahead and hit those notifications. Subscribe to the channel. Also, hit those thumbs up. It'll be greatly appreciated, guys. And I'm trying to work on my timing as well as far as uploads. So definitely stay tuned for that. Stay with me, guys. Shortly I'll be an upload a day soon, so I'm trying to get in the process. Like I said, I have so much stuff that I'm doing outside of here, but I won't let it stop this YouTube channel. I won't let it stop what's going on this channel. So bear with me, guys. Like I said, and I appreciate everyone's patience. So thank you, and thank you. Alright, so now we are going to be going into the next color, which will be red. So what I will do real quick off camera, I will go ahead and cut these jump stitches off. and then I'll be right back, guys. Stay tuned. All right, so just went ahead and cut all of my jump stitches. Now let's go ahead and start on the next portion. So let me know what y'all think so far, how the patch is coming out. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of excited because it looks just like the logo. As you will see probably in the intro, of course, you'll see what I mean by it looks just like it. So yeah, guys, go ahead and let me know what you guys think. Sorry about that. So as you guys can probably see real quick, I'll wait till it move. Move the camera over here. So if you probably can see this part right here, that is the undersew, the bobbin. So it popped up on top. I am using white. Like I said, I usually use whatever top thread I'm using. I use that for the bottom, but I've been trying something different, so I've just been using all white for all of my designs so far. So I don't like when that happens. Could be because of the tension, could be just because of a pull somewhere. So we are going to go ahead and start on the border or the outline. So let's go ahead and get that started. I do have to change colors. I'll be right back, guys. Stay tuned. And if you are still watching, go ahead and hit those notifications, subscribe to the channel, and thumbs up the video. Thank you, guys. So right now we are starting on the border. Hopefully it comes out clean, which I think it should. So I don't know if you guys have been paying attention or seen the white stitch that's going around. So that was my run stitch. So I use that to get my placement stitch for the cutout of the felt. But it's coming out so great because the border or satin stitch that's around the border, it's covering up that whole portion of white. So like I said, so far so good. It's looking like it's coming out great. Sorry for that. Looking like it's coming out great. So I think this will be a dope patch, dope for a jacket, dope for a hat. So maybe in another video I'll do it on a hat. You never know. So just stay tuned to the channel, guys. Okay, so something just happened to my upper thread. And I see what happened. Man, not paying attention on my phone. So, as you can see, yeah, real goofy on my end. I knew it was low, but I didn't know it was that low. So, and I dropped it. Okay, so let me go ahead and put in another black. Wow, that never happened. So let me go ahead and change that out, guys. Be right back. So it's stitching out good. Yes, we went ahead and changed the top thread. So everything's still coming out clean so far. Almost done stitching out. All right, finished embroidering. Let's go ahead and bag up real quick. So everything looks great. Let's go ahead and take it out. And before I even show you everything up close, I'm gonna go ahead and cut these jump stitches. So guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, so go ahead and let me know what you think about the design so far. How did it come out? How do it look? Yes, no, maybe so. Like I said, I tried to implement as much as I could to the original logo. Once again, if you're watching it or if you clicked on it, you will see the thumbnail and what I'm talking about. I'll have it right next to it. I always try to do that just so you can compare compare the two. Sorry about that. So let me know how did it come out, guys? What do you guys think? Clean? Yes, no? Yeah, looks dope. More videos similar to this coming soon. Let me know what you guys are interested in. Go ahead and put it in the comment below. And as always, once again, this is your boy Dion with Quality Custom Designs. And always stay blessed and continue to strive for greatness. Peace out, guys.